Utility work is no desk job. So taking your gloves off to get the job done isn't working. Delivery is no desk job. So old technology with a short battery life isn't working. Retail is no desk job. So juggling multiple devices while trying to help a customer isn't working. If your workforce doesn't work at a desk, give them the technology that works where they do. The Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. It's the field-ready phone that empowers your frontline team with more capabilities like integrated mobile point of sale, push-to-talk communications, and scanning. It's built rugged with a long-lasting replaceable battery in one sleek package. No desk required. The Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. This is working.